Hey guys, today, let's interview story on Instagram without seeing. So if you guys want to go ahead and view a specific story on the Instagram application without letting the person know that you did view their story. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. Please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application. And once we're already here, I would like you go ahead and choose the specific person that you want to go ahead and view the story of. In this case, let's assume that we want to go ahead and view the story of Kalani right here. So what I want you guys to do is to tap on the story right next to them. That's gonna allow you to view their story. But if you want to view the story of the person right next to them, as I said a while ago, you want to view the story of Kalani. All we need to do is just swipe from the right to the left to actually view their story. Now as you see, some ads are gonna pop up. So let's just go ahead and view that real quick. If we swipe again, we are gonna see a preview of their story, as you see right here. So you could actually go ahead and view their story like that. Or one more quick thing, if we could also do, if we just want to go ahead and view the exceeding stories from this. So as you do notice, this person does have 4 stories, and we are not gonna be able to view that, not unless we tap on their story. But the downside of that is, they are gonna know that we did view it. So this is the closest thing we can do in order to work around from this specific issue. By doing this method, we could actually make a preview of their story without them knowing that we have seen it. So basically, you need to be aware of that, and you might specifically just make a quick swipe and accidentally move to their story, and that's gonna make them know that you viewed it. So make sure that you're going back where you came from, onto the past story slowly, and slowly release it as well. So just go ahead and just basically slow your release it, and you're gonna go head back onto the story before their story. So one more quick thing we could also do, if you want to go ahead and view all of their stories, is once you're already right next to their story, as you see like this, go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi connection. Now doing so actually allow you to view their story as soon as you turn off your Wi-Fi, and it's also gonna show you some of their stories, but their videos might not be playing. But if they do post some photos, that will actually allow you to view them as well. Of course, as soon as you turn back your Wi-Fi on, that is gonna notify them that you viewed their story. So if you don't really want to notify them right away, turn off your Wi-Fi and stay not connected with the Wi-Fi so that they won't get the notification and the prompt that you have viewed and seen their story. That's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys have learned something, and take care.